talking about the control of environmental degradation. So first we will start with a very important information, that is every liter of wastewater discharged by our industry pollutes 8 times the quantity of fresh water. So it is very important to reduce the environmental degradation. So here are some suggestions that are very important.
One of the suggestion is that by minimizing the use of new set of water or reusing the water in 2 or more successive stages. By this way, we can ensure judicious use of water.
Second suggestion is that by harvesting of rainwater to meet water requirements. So to make this voice speech longer, I'm gonna add up something, that is we all know about rainwater harvesting. In this we use pipes and attach it with the rooftop of a building so that the rainwater can flow into underwater tanks. These tanks when filled up can be used to enhance and increase the water of the underground reservoirs.
The third point is that it is very important to treat effluents before releasing them in river and ponds. And what we mean by effluents? Because I know the maximum of us, we didn't know about the meaning of effluent. And except ma'am, so effluent is a liquid waste or sewage discharged into a river or on the sea. And this can be done in many processes, and the 3 main processes are:
the first process or phase is the primary treatment. In this we need to use mechanical means to reduce the contents of effluents present in water. This can be done by screening, grinding, flocculation and sedimentation. The second phase is by secondary treatment by biological processes. And the third process is by tertiary treatment. In this we use biological, chemical and physical means of processes. This also involves recycling of wastewater so that we can use it in a judicious way. There are many threats in this upgrading world. There are smoke. So now smoke is a very dangerous substance which can harm the people. So it can be reduced by using oil or gas instead of coal in factories. Machinery and equipment can be used and generators should be fit with silencers so that sound pollution does not come. Almost all machinery can be redesigned to increase energy efficiency and reduce noise. Noise absorbing material may be used apart from personal use of earplugs and earphones. The challenges of sustainable development requires integration of economic development with environmental concerns. This should be in a proper sustained manner so that the environmental concerns doesn't hamper.